In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the Aircall and Monday.com integration in just 5 minutes. If you're ready to streamline your workflow and improve productivity, this guide will walk you through the entire process step by step, ensuring that you can efficiently set up this integration without any hiccups. First, head over to the Monday.com website. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. Look towards the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find the login option. If this is your first time logging in, you might be prompted to use your Google account or an email linked to your Monday.com account. Follow the prompts to access your workspace. Don't worry if you've logged in before, you'll be taken directly to your Monday workspace, ready to start the integration process. Now let's navigate to the marketplace to find the necessary app. Go to the marketplace by clicking on the dotted square located in the upper right corner of your screen. Once you are in the marketplace, head straight to the search bar and type Aircall. This will bring up the app you need to install. Click on it and follow the on-screen instructions to choose the workspace where you'd like the app to be installed. After installation, it's time to add the Aircall calls board template to your account. This step is crucial. Simply click on the Use App button, then select Add to Workspace and you're set. To effectively use the Aircall app, you'll need two boards, the Aircall calls board, which you've just added, and another board that stores phone numbers. Once you have both boards ready, the next task is to connect them. Go to your Aircall calls board and add the Connect Boards column. This feature allows you to select either the contacts board or any other board that contains your phone numbers, linking them together seamlessly. With the boards connected, you can now take advantage of the mirror column. This tool lets you synchronize column information between the Aircall calls board and any other chosen board. This means you can effortlessly mirror valuable data, such as call outcomes, tags, and recordings, into other areas of your account, providing a cohesive data flow. Having your boards prepared, the next step is to integrate them with Aircall. Click into your board containing phone calls and locate the Integrate button at the top of your screen. Once you've located it, search for Aircall recipes. Here you'll find different recipes for insight cards and call logging. Integrate the insight card recipe with your board containing phone numbers. These insight cards are a fantastic feature designed to push contact information from Monday.com to your Aircall phone whenever an inbound call comes in, ensuring you have all the relevant data at your fingertips when you need it most. And there you have it. With these clear and easy to follow steps, you've successfully set up the Aircall and Monday.com integration, enhancing your workflow and keeping your team connected. Thank you for watching and be sure to stay tuned for more helpful guides.